So Malak, tell me a little bit more about this
Bardia,
project.
look
Oh,
out.
oh, whoa, whoa, what's going on?
So each apartment comes with a mirror, so it gives more space and it reflects natural light.
Unbelievable.
Yes.
Every apartment comes with this mirror.
Exactly.
I'm absolutely loving it. Tell me about location.
It's located in JLT, around 500 meters from the closest mall, and it's also 20 minutes to downtown.
Okay, I just see a beautiful kitchen. Is it fully fitted?
Yes, it's
Okay,
fully fitted, fully equipped.
And Siemens, everything is Siemens.
Yes, everything is
What else?
Siemens.
Do we have?
You have also a storage closet and a laundry closet.
Okay, that's a laundry closet. What's the availabilities for this project?
Studios to 3 bedrooms.
Studios to 3 beds. Tell me about amenities.
You have 2 floors of amenities.
Okay.
The podium floor is allocated for children.
Okay.
Playing areas, swimming pool, seating areas, and the rooftop. You will get the infinity pool. You will get a cinema. You will get a spa and
adults
a gym.
only.
Yes,
Incredible.
adults only.
Wow. When's the delivery date for the project?
Q1 2027. Bardia, this is the master bedroom. Look at the amount of space you get in the walk-in closet.
Yeah,
and
that's
look at that beautiful
Oh,
bath.
That's incredible.
The payment plan is amazing. 70% during construction and 30% post handover over 3 years.
Oh, so what is the damage? What's the starting price?
The starting price as of today's stock is 736,000 dirhams.
That's a steal.